Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be describing the single consonant sounds. Single consonant sounds are consonants that have no pairs but occur on their own. There are 8 single consonant sounds in English, and all of which are voiced except from the one represented in this chart with white, which is voiceless. The sounds of the single consonants include mm, 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 r, w, y. Examples of the single consonant sounds in words includes as in met, as in net, as in sing, as in let, as in ret, w, as in wet, y, as in yet, as in het. Thank you all for watching. Check out our next video for more.